Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. Start by laying out soft sandwich bread on a clean surface. First, spread an even layer of peanut butter on one slice and a thinner layer of jelly on the other to prevent sogginess. Press the slices together gently, aligning edges, then cut with a round cutter. Seal edges firmly by pressing with a fork or your fingers to lock in the filling. For consistent results, keep your peanut butter slightly thicker than the jelly so it helps prevent mixing and leakage. If the peanut butter is too smooth, place the jar in the fridge for a short time to firm it up, then spread with a small knife. Spoon the jelly in a modest mound in the center and avoid the edges. When sealing, press outward from the center to push air and spread the filling evenly toward the center. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is a great carry-along for sandwich prep time. It keeps drinks cold, has a reliable lid, and fits in most cup holders so you can sip while you assemble. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Proper sealing makes or breaks your Uncrustables, so press the edges tightly with a fork or crimper for a neat finish. Store sandwiches in an airtight container for up to several days, or freeze them flat with parchment paper between each to prevent sticking. When ready to eat, thaw in the fridge or at room temperature until softened. Label any frozen packs with the date and enjoy a quick grab-and-go snack whenever you need one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.